Alrighty, so I've got a 2012 GMC Sierra, and with this video I'm going to be replacing the center console. As you can see, through wear and tear, it is slowly coming apart here. So I'm going to show you how to kind of disassemble it and then put on the new one. First thing we're going to start off with is by undoing this flap. With this, you're just going to want to pull up and peel it back. And you should see a couple bolts in there that you're going to want to remove. So now I got those two bolts off on the right side. So now I'm on the driver's side, and I'm going to have to take one more off. As you can see, I moved the seat all the way up so I can have access to get to the bolt that is right there. Point to it. And so that's what I'm going to take off now. Alrighty, so those are the three bolts. You can see I have them out now, and this is the little padding. So now I'm going to remove this padding, and then right below it is the new one. Next thing I'm going to do is to remove this plastic piece. I think it just pops out. I'm not exactly sure, and so I have these tools with me right here just to help it pop out. So we'll see how that goes.
So the console is out of the truck right now. We've got the cover mostly off, and now it's just a matter of prying the center plastic piece off. We got a crowbar and just kind of slowly working it.
There's these hooks underneath that are keeping it down, so you need to take this plastic piece out to take this all the way off.
Alright, so we got that cover off. That's what it looks like. Now we're ready to put this cover on. And there's several tabs that we just got a bar and we're just prying, and the back part doesn't have any tabs.
Oh, there are two right there.
Two. We actually broke those off, coming off, so we'll have to glue those in. But front part, multiple locations for tabs, and just need to pry it off.
So I've got it pretty much on now and good to go. I still need a little bit of adjusting, pushing it back this way and pulling it this way, but as you can see, I have it on. It's very tight. This one does not have a zipper, as you can see in the back. So I just kind of put it in through this hole. First got the back in, and then I kind of twisted it to get this side in first. And then once I got that in, twisted it some more to try to get one of these corners in, and then worked to the other corner. I think in total it took me about 20, maybe 30 minutes, just kind of pulling and pushing to get it. I didn't use any tools because I read online that this is maybe a cheaper material. So I didn't want to, push it too much to break. But this is pretty much what it's going to look like. You can see this one comes with a flap already. This is where I'm going to put the two bolts on the side. But on the other side, I still need to put one bolt in, and this does not have an opening. So I'm going to have to make a hole. You can kind of see this is what that metal piece is to get this installed. So I'll make those final adjustments and then cut those holes. Alrighty, so this is the final installation of it. I've already just kind of popped this top plastic part back in, and I already put on the bolts on the side, so it looks pretty good, as you can see. Also here on this edge, I just kind of stuck this part inside this little plastic piece, just to hide it a little bit, but it still functions, perfectly. Looks pretty nice. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.